Hi, it's me, Rowen. Today I'm at the pumpkin patch. First, I climbed the tiles. Next, I went on the pillow bounce. And then I fell. Wow, look at that big tail. Now my daddy's walking me. Wow, look at all the treats they have. Like cake, pies, and donuts. Can you guess what I got? Mommy caramel apple. Yummy, but also chewy. I couldn't even bite into it. Next, I did the tractor race. The helmet fell over my face because I put it on the wrong way. I mean, Mommy did. And then they had a pig race.
Alright, let's see what happens. So far, it's nice smoothies.
Woo! Look at them go! Next is the hayride. They had animals like goats. They also had zebras and ponies, cows and bulls, some chickens, bak bak bak, and mommy ostrich and a baby ostrich, and you can feed all of the animals. Then I went to the spinning pumpkin. Hi friends, there I am. Ride over, what's next? Uh-oh, haunted mansion. This is not my favorite part. Daddy carried me because I was scared. It was super scary. I feel sad because I didn't like it. Now I'm like a hamster. Rolling made me confused because the place was rolling. Well, time to roll it back. Hills are one of my favorite rides. Last, I went to the pumpkin patch. There's so many other stuff to do, like the corner maze and the train. But we ran out of time. Time for us to go home, friends. I hope you enjoy my video, friends. See you next time.